So this is the pound dollar analysis for Wednesday, 21st of February. Now, let's have a look what happened with the prices and where prices may likely go. So we saw this sell off from in and around the 41.50. We kind of had a meaningful test of this 140.05 for a move back up towards that 140.50. From which we did see further sell side momentum, and we've had prices head down towards this area of this 39.42. In around 39.42, we had the added confluence of the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of a potential bounce in prices, and that's pretty much what we saw. We saw prices head back up towards that 140.05. Now we're sandwiched in between the 200 period moving average to the lower end and the 400 period moving average to the upper end. What we have seen is prices have come up towards this 400 period moving average, stalled, pulled back beneath this support at 140.05, and we do look poised for another test of the 400 period moving average. So if we can hold on to this 140.05 and break above the 400 period moving average, we are looking for price head up towards that 41.18. Around 41.18 is pretty much where we saw sell side momentum come into the market previously. We'll see whether we do get a bit of a double top and further sell side momentum come back into the market, bring us back down towards that 140.05. If, however, we aren't able to see the break to the upside, we'll be looking for price to head back down to this area of confluence of the 200 and 400 the 200 period moving average along with the horizontal level of 39.42 to see whether we can find support again if we do see a breakdown. If we do break down and we're not able to hold the area of confluence between the 200 period moving average and the horizontal level, we'll be looking for prices to head down towards that 38.35, beyond which we're looking for 138. I can't anticipate prices moving beyond, say, the 138.35 or the 138 level here on the pound dollar. And we'll have a quick look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what can we see here? So we've had this move upwards, formed a bit of a double top here in around 42.66, had this sell off back down towards that 38.35, trade slightly below it. We saw the move upwards. We've in fact posted what could potentially be interpreted as a lower high. So we've got our highs here in around double top, potentially lower highs for further downside continuation. But what we're seeing here are these doji candles, these indecision candles here after the this short sell candle. And due to the fact that we are having these wicks and these candles are indecisive, there remains a possibility that we may see further upside continuation to test these previous highs from which market retraced previously. So, yep, we've mentioned levels to the downside beneath the 135 that we are looking at. But the candles are developing here on the daily chart, possibly suggest that we are poised for further upside continuation on the pound dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.